Are you a woodworking enthusiast or professional contractor looking for a reliable, high-performance planer to get that perfect smooth finish? If you're nodding your head, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Bosch GHO18V-26N professional brushless planer. This cordless powerhouse claims to bring precision, convenience, and power to your woodworking projects. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break it all down and find out if this tool deserves a spot in your toolkit. The Bosch is designed with professional use in mind, offering high-end features for a cordless planer. Let's start with the first thing you'll notice. It's lightweight yet robust. Weighing only 6.3 pounds, it strikes a fine balance between portability and durability, which is crucial when you're moving between job sites or working for extended periods. The planer's sleek, ergonomic design includes comfortable grip handles that reduce hand fatigue, so even during longer sessions, you won't feel bogged down. The bright red and blue color scheme, along with the durable plastic exterior, gives it a modern professional look while also maintaining the ruggedness you'd expect from Bosch. This tool uses an EC brushless motor, which is known for its long lifespan, energy efficiency, and less maintenance compared to brush motors. Brushless motors, like the one in this plane, tend to run cooler, which is a bonus when you're working in intense conditions or for extended periods. The tool is equipped with a high-speed motor that spins at a remarkable 14,000 RPM, providing a clean and precise cut with each pass. One of the highlights of this model is its planing width of 3.25 inches, which is standard for most handheld planers but does an excellent job of covering a wide surface area with fewer strokes. And speaking of strokes, you can adjust the depth of cut up to 0.1 inches, allowing for fine or aggressive material removal depending on your tasks. This level of versatility makes it suitable for various applications, from smoothing rough edges to fine detailing on finished wood. Now let's talk about convenience. The dual exhaust ports are a game changer for managing wood shavings and dust. You can attach a vacuum or dust bag to either side of the plane, which means you can maintain a cleaner workspace and improve visibility as you work. The ability to expel dust on either side gives users more flexibility depending on the project setup, especially when working in tight spaces. But this product doesn't include the battery or charger, which means you'll have to purchase those separately if you don't already own compatible Bosch 18-volt batteries. While this may seem inconvenient to some, it's a blessing in disguise for professionals who already use Bosch tools and have batteries at hand, saving you a little cash up front. Interested in getting your hands on this tool already? Be sure to check the product link in the description for the best deals on Amazon. Like any tool, the Bosch has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's take a balanced look at both. Cons: battery and charger not included. Limited to a max depth of cut of 0.1 inches. Heavier when paired with a large 18-volt battery. Price point is on the higher side. Doesn't include a carrying case. Now that we've covered the downsides, let's talk about why this tool could be a fantastic addition to your toolkit. Brushless motor for longer life and better efficiency. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Dual exhaust ports for flexible dust collection. 3.25-inch planing width, ideal for most woodworking tasks. High RPM for smooth, precise cuts. Cordless convenience for on-the-go jobs. Compatible with Bosch's extensive 18-volt battery line. In summary, the Bosch Professional Planer is an exceptional choice for both professional woodworkers and serious DIYers. Its blend of precision, power, and convenience in a portable cordless format makes it ideal for a variety of woodworking applications. Ready to take your woodworking to the next level? Click on the Amazon link in the description and get your hands on the Bosch today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop a comment down below if you've got any questions or want to share your own experiences with this tool. And as always, make sure to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals and offers. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking!